Hey YouTube. Yeah, today I'm assembling a Vartan gaming chair. Basically using it for my office chair. Here's the bags of screws and parts. See if I can cut this sucker out here. Get the instruction sheet. Yeah, it's a good thing it's got instructions because there's a lot of parts. Alright, let me shut this off a second. Okay, parts list. Blue screws, yellow screws, green screws, D screw, E caps. 5 casters, 1 base, 1 gas lift. I only have 1 gas lift too. Telescopic cover, seat plate, seat back, armrest ×2, headrest, lumbar support, right backrest, left bracket, right bracket cover, left bracket cover, and they provide us with an Allen wrench with a Phillips head on it. Yeah, I may pull out the old toolkit. All right, here's the easy steps. Let's see how many steps there are. Step 1, step 2, turn the page, step 3, step 4, step 5, step 6, turn the page. Oops. Working on it. Turn the pages left-handed. Step 7, step 8, step 9, step 10. We're not done. Step 11. Oh, step 11 is just a picture of the finished chair. So, behold the finished product. We're not there yet. Let's see, where am I at here? Here's the parts. That looks like the back. That looks like the seat. That looks like the base. That looks like something. That looks like the covers. That looks like the back rest. Yeah. So, there's the casters, otherwise known as wheels. I don't know why they call casters casters. They're not casters. They're wheels. Okay. So, I'll do step 1 and then I'll come back. So, step 1, get out the base and unfold the legs. I did it. Step 2, get out the casters and put them on the base. Done. Step 3, insert the post in the base and then put on the exterior sleeve thing, expanding exterior sleeve. Boom. And so far I've only dropped it on my toe 1 time. And yes, that's my glass mannequin head for selling caps. Yeah. All right. On to step 4. Uh-oh, got to use tools on this one. All right. Insert that metal thing on the bottom of the seat. I can do that. Yeah. Here we are. We got the up and downy lever thing. Front, arrow pointing this way. Front, arrow pointing this way. This is a foolproof setup. Yes, it is. And I need part A. There's 4 part A's. Step 4. Screw that thing onto the seat of the chair, bottom of the seat of the chair. I think I got this. Be right back. Yeah. Finishing up step 4. So far, this has been a fairly painless no-brainer. Yeah. Put the 4 screws in and tightened up. Almost tightened. I'll go back around and check all of them again. Here we go. That one needs a little bit more tweaking. That one's snug. That one ought to do. This chair is rated for 250 pounds. I think I'm safe. I'm close, but I'm safe. What's next? That was step 4. Front. Yeah, I got the front. Did all that. Next. Looks like time to put on the armrests. Armrest. Again with the Allen wrench and some screws. And so here we go. The left arm is complete. Yeah, but we don't like the left around here. Aha, see what I did there? The left. You get it. All right. Got to put the right arm on now. Still on step 5. Okay. Notice, if you will, the right armrest is in place. Notice how far the right is from the left. That's a good thing. I guess. Maybe they should be closer to the center with each other. What is the hidden meaning there? Step 6 will be inserting the seat of the chair onto the base with the post. How are you going to do that if you're looking down at the seat? There's a hole in the stem for the base. How are you going to find the hole if you can't see the stem? Oh well, I'll figure it out. And there it is. The seat is on the base. That wasn't too hard. You had to kind of look from the right side to watch the stabbing of the base stem into the hole. And notice, all the controls for the chair are on the right side, as it should be. I keep going on. Yeah, I could get this video censored. Step 7. Insert the back of the chair and then screw it down on the left and the right side. Both sides getting screwed equally with 2 screws. And, yeah. That's going to be kind of weird because, okay, there's the back. Got to get it out of the plastic yet. And that thing slides down on these 2 post-looking things. So, we'll see how that goes. Step 7, complete. It's starting to look like a chair. Yeah. Step 8 will be to put the covers on these parts right here. Yeah, simple. I've only uttered 3 or 4 mild expletives during this session. Yeah. Step 8, complete. Yeah. Step 9. Attach the headrest and the lumbar support. Sweet. Step 9, complete. Step 10, insert the screw hole covers into the armrest sides. I can do that. Dun, 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 dun. Mission Impossible complete. And there you have it. A gaming office chair just for me from the great company of Emerge. Yeah. The little screw hole covers didn't want to go on very easily on the left hand side. Of course, it's always difficult to cover up screw holes of the left. Oh, sorry. Couldn't help myself. All right, there you have it. Done and done. This is your silver hair stacker saying good luck, God bless. Spend a little money, get you a chair on sale. Put it together yourself. Don't pay somebody to do it. Even a pea brain like me can follow the instructions. I don't know if I like the lumbar support. When I sit in the chair, it kind of scoots me too far forward. I like to have my lower back right up against the back part of the chair, but that's removable, so there you go. You don't have to like everything about your new chair. Looks like something out of Top Gun, doesn't it? All right, good luck, God bless. Bye. And by the way, this chair was like 50% off, and then I got another 20% off coupon at Staples. So this chair was only $130. Brand new. I know. You should buy a thrifty person would buy all their office chair stuff at garage sales or estate sales. Get them much cheaper than that. But I don't know. I used the same old office chair for about 10 years that I got for $2 at an auction, and I just got tired of it. Squeaky, and it was about to break down, I think. And the casters didn't roll very good anymore, so I was ready for a new chair. All right, I'm spoiled. But what else am I going to spend my eBay earnings on? Bye.